Did you know that people with different blood types have different personalities as well? However, type O people stand out from the entire ABO blood typing system. So what's so special about the O negative blood type personality? What makes this blood type so extraordinary? You will never find out unless you watch this video. So let's get started. Number 1. Your kindness is never conditional. One of the first O negative blood type personality trait is related to a kind and good heart. Yes, you might be hot-headed from time to time, and you are stubborn and impulsive, but sometimes you even know how to scare people. But underneath the tough exterior hides a warm heart. If you belong to this blood group, you are selfless and helpful. You are the one friend everyone calls in the middle of the night when they need a hand or just someone to listen to them. And you know what the best part is? It's that you always answer. Number 2. Your optimism is a magnet for happiness. Another characteristic of everyone with an O blood type is your optimism. No matter what's going on and what hardship you are going through, you can find the light at the end of the tunnel. You truly believe that there is a silver lining to every cloud. It seems like even the worst scenarios can't take away your hope. All in all, you're a happy person. You have your ups and downs, but at the end of the day, you are thankful for all the blessing you get. Instead of giving up at the first sign of trouble, you see all this hardship and obstacles along the way. Obstacles you know you'll overcome. Number 3. Extraordinary leadership skills. An O negative blood type personality equals leadership skills. You are an alpha male or an alpha female. But let's get one thing straight. This is not a position you try hard to achieve. It's not like you are dying to steal the spotlight at all cost. You're not an egomaniac blinded by power. It's always the people who give you a leadership position. For starters, you're incredibly charismatic. Your friends, co-workers, and teammates trust every word that come out of your mouth. Also, you take the initiative. You're anything but a passive bystander. Instead, you're a person of action. All in all, it seems like you possess something called the X factor. Nobody can really explain what it is, but it's definitely what makes you stand out from the crowd. Number 4. Your willpower is the key to success. Another O negative blood type personality trait is your determination and devotion. You're not a quitter. You know what you want and aren't afraid to get it. You don't give up until you reach your final goals, and nobody can stop you. The key to your success is your amazing willpower. Unlike most people, you can order yourself what to do. When times get tough, you'll always do what's best for you. You won't allow your weakness to take over, and you most certainly won't let your vulnerabilities get the best of you. Number 5. You're emotionally distant. It's about time we start talking about some negative personality traits related to your blood type. Whether you like hearing this or not, the truth is that people around you think of you as emotionally cold, or to be exact, they often accuse you of being emotionally distant and emotionally unavailable. Of course, this is not true, but remember that we talk about your tough exterior in the beginning. Well, the sad truth is that most of the people you are surrounded by only get to see that. They don't get the chance to dig a bit deeper under the surface to reveal your loving heart. You're not a big fan of showing emotion and paying people compliments. You hate cheesy phrases, and you're not the romantic type either. Therefore, many of your loved ones are unaware of how much you care about them. Don't be scared to open up to them. They will only appreciate you more. Let them in and give them the chance to meet the real you. Number 6. You are self-centered. There is one thing I must not forget when talking about the personality of O negative blood type. The fact that you're quite self-centered. No, you're not selfish. On the contrary, you think that sharing is caring. Nevertheless, sometimes you are spoiled to the point where you think the world revolves around you. You have spent your entire life listening to everyone telling you how special and unique you are. Number 7. Your intuition never lies. Are you some kind of witch? Or maybe a fortune teller? How did you know exactly what would happen? How many times have you heard similar question? How many times have you heard a tiny voices in the back of your head showing you the way and lighting your path? You always know the outcome of a certain situation even though it's not logical. The moment you meet a new person, you can tell what they are like. All of this means you have strong intuition, and of course, let's not forget the incredible empathy skills that help you read people's mind. The bottom line is that your intuition never fails you. In fact, every time you don't trust it, you get yourself in trouble. Your gut feeling has saved you dozens of times. That's why you should never doubt it again. Number 8. Comfort zone. Here's a surprise for all of you who are not familiar with the O negative blood type personality. You're an outgoing, spontaneous person who doesn't enjoy anything as much as adventure and excitement. You're unpredictable, and that's why nobody sees that you're actually the biggest fan of your comfort zone. Yes, you might like partying, traveling, and having a great time. After all, who wouldn't? However, all of that is a part of your everyday routine, as strange as it sounds. That's your comfort zone, and you wouldn't trade it for the world. So, are you related to these signs? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.